Hi, everyone. Welcome to Be Different for Success. Today, we'll be talking about how to become a millionaire with a millionaire mindset. Today, people from all walks of life are becoming millionaires. If you want to be a millionaire too, you should not only learn how they achieve that status, but also how to maintain and manage it. Outside of winning the lottery, financial independence takes a great deal of strategic planning and discipline. The idea of becoming a millionaire may seem out of reach to many people, while others find it to be a very tangible goal. However, achieving such a goal requires you to gather information and follow certain methodologies and paths. Most of these paths can be discovered in books or in meaningful connections and conversations. Becoming a millionaire is a goal that's open to all people, regardless of your background. Self-limiting thoughts are some of the biggest obstacles when pursuing a goal of becoming wealthy. When people tell themselves that becoming a millionaire is for other people, they discredit their passions, experiences, and education. Every person's background is valuable to them and the rest of the world, even if it doesn't look that way. Making $1 million can be done in any industry, at almost any age, and with almost any initial investment. A large amount of money is not initially required. A study of the biographies of millionaires reveals that they all made mistakes. Some of them lost their millions and fell into bankruptcy, while others who lost it turned around and rebuilt from the ground up. Most learned from small mistakes, listened to advisors, and made strategic plans to mitigate negative results from those mistakes. Most of today's emerging millionaires are mostly entrepreneurs. Young people are not afraid to start small with little capital, and they are adamant about continually growing their business. Most seek mentors, continually looking for learning opportunities, and reevaluate their plans, goals, and mindset on a regular basis. Entrepreneurs who reach millionaire status seem to have a passion for their product. This passion grows from their experience and education, plus their ability to see a potential market with growth. This includes paying attention to the realities of their particular industry or business, knowing their numbers, their costs of materials, manufacturing, cost of customer acquisition, and all about the competition. Most millionaires are dreamers with their feet firmly planted on the ground. These people refuse to be stopped by roadblocks. The millionaire personality simply decides how to get around or take down such obstacles and keep going. One last item that they all have in common is staying in good health in eating and exercise. Without good health, any business is a moot point. How to become a millionaire? If you want to be a millionaire, you have every opportunity to do so, but you will have to work hard. You have to find a balance between your mindset, your passion, and your goals. You have to have discipline, a love for your work, and a plan, so you can track your progress. It is important to stop and examine your inner self, and always be willing to tweak your plans. Remember that you will not know everything, and as you progress, learn, and make discoveries, you will want to rethink, re-examine, and refresh your goals. What a person must know before deciding to take the first steps to becoming wealthy is that we are in charge of our own actions, thinking, and decisions. This is not a small piece of the puzzle. Keep in mind that you are the result of what you do. This will lead you to eliminate some things and strengthen others. Every millionaire was in your seat at one time or another, and every millionaire decided to make changes within themselves, their surroundings, and their habits to become a millionaire. If you already have these deployed, you're well on your way to becoming a millionaire. If you don't work on developing your millionaire mindset by reprogramming your subconscious mind, limiting money beliefs can keep you stuck where you are. Developing this millionaire mindset is the most important step if you want to be rich. Without a millionaire mindset, you'll remain stuck in a lower or middle income mindset. But once you change your mindset, you'll start doing what you need to do to generate more wealth. What is millionaire mindset? A mindset is an established way of thinking about things. You develop one naturally, shaped by your experiences, your family values, and your education. The younger a child develops their own mindset, the earlier they will be able to control their lives and accomplish their own goals. All behavior begins in the brain. You do nothing without your mind thinking it first. So you have to learn to discipline and control your mind. People process information in many different ways, and you will have to determine how you want to think or process information. You have to learn discipline. You have to get a mindset that you control. You have to make decisions about what you want and create it if necessary. The millionaire mindset is the key to changing your fortune. It's how you can go from average results to great wealth. To become a millionaire, you must first learn to think, feel, and act like a millionaire. Having $1 million fortune and feeling financially free means developing a millionaire mindset. Wealthy people spend much more time thinking about their finances than people who remain poor. The average adult spends 2 to 3 hours each month studying and thinking about their money, usually at bill-paying time. The average self-made millionaire spends 20 to 30 hours per month thinking about, studying, and managing his or her finances. Focusing on your money will dramatically improve the decisions you make regarding it. Wealthy people who invest more time planning their finances invariably make better decisions, get better results, and reach financial independence. Final thoughts. Becoming a millionaire is no longer a far-off dream. It is a real possibility for ordinary people with extraordinary goals. In the 1950s, most millionaires inherited their money from large estates or earned it through the oil business. Today's millionaire is an entrepreneur who sees a need, has a passion for meeting that need, and is creative about supplying a product or service for that need. This develops into a plan and a strategy that takes their work to a business level. Millionaire status is more in reach than ever before, which is why there are more millionaires every year. Millionaires are younger than ever, with good work ethic and a thirst for continued education. Most see the growth of their business as their focus, not simply making lots of money. To become a millionaire requires you to stop in your tracks, become narrowly focused on what you want to do it with every ounce of energy, and then push yourself further. It doesn't matter if you are poor, homeless, not as smart as some, or undereducated. You have as much opportunity as anyone else. You have the opportunity to work hard, overcome obstacles, get up early, work late, change how you spend your time, your attitude, procrastination, and start focusing. None of that costs money. Free knowledge abounds online and in libraries. It is a lifestyle you will be creating. Every self-made millionaire started out where you are or worse. No excuses. Shut off the television and social media. Think and plan. Your first step is there waiting for you. Take it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please click the thumbs up and write your personal tips in the comments below. Thank you for your support. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more from us. See you in the next video.